Whether you have a minor health problem or need a routine checkup, knowing how to communicate with your doctor is very important, especially if you are living in an English-speaking country. When you arrive at the doctor's office, you usually have to check in at the reception desk. The receptionist will ask for your name, your date of birth, and your insurance information. Then you wait in the waiting room until the doctor is ready to see you. When you go into the doctor's office, the doctor will ask you about your symptoms. It is important to describe your symptoms clearly. For example, you might say, "I have a sore throat and a fever," or "I have had a headache for 3 days," or "I feel very tired and I cannot sleep." The doctor will then examine you, ask you more questions, and make a diagnosis. After the diagnosis, the doctor will recommend a treatment. This could be a prescription for medicine, advice to rest and drink plenty of water, or a referral to a specialist if your problem is more serious. Before you leave, make sure you understand the doctor's instructions. Do not be afraid to ask questions if something is not clear. Taking care of your health is very important. Do not wait until a small problem becomes a big one. See a doctor regularly and listen to their advice.